You got it. You got it. You got it. Today is Fun Day Monday with Rob Rosa, my friends. It is the last Monday here in October 2020. Did I really say it? 2020? Oh my gosh, the last Monday here in October. So you know what we're going to do is we are going to do the drawing and announce for the winner of this month's Fun Day Monday drawing. And you know what you are going to win. The winner is going to win a $25 Amazon gift card straight to you from me for being my friend and for having a little bit of fun here. So if you have not done the drawing already, if you have not answered for October, as of today, it is too late, but you still have time for November, my friends. You still have time, and I'd love for you to play a part in this. In fact, over 30-something people have done this. And so all you need to do is go to fundaymondayWithRob.com. Again, you can see that on the bottom as we're talking Fun Day Monday with Rob.com. And we're going to have a little bit of fun. It doesn't always have to be about selling these multi-million-dollar properties and commercial listings and multi-families and luxury homes and condos on the river and along the ocean and so forth. Listen, we get to have a little bit of fun too. So let's talk about who's going to win for October 2020. Now, I'm not going to go through all the names, but we had like 30-some people. We had people like Amanda, Kristen, LaDonna, Dia, Paul, Paula, Ebony, Kyler, Tony, Andrew, Jan, Winnie, Karen, and so forth. So Sharon was in there. I saw her. Kurt was in there. I saw him. Ron, and so forth. So let's see. I'm not looking. I know you're thinking, oh, he already picked the winner. No, I didn't. This is live. We are making it happen right now as we speak. And the winner is Amanda. You did it. You won it, my friend. You are the winner for the October 2020 November drawing. And what was that all about? Well, guess what? Here it is. Boom. The point is we said, hey, it's October. Welcome to the spooky version of Fun Day Monday. So other than cats, which creature has retractable claws? A, blue crabs. B, scorpions, which a couple people told me scorpions. C, sloth. And D, tarantula. Ooh, what are you thinking? All right. So if you said D, tarantula, you were correct. But guess what, my friends? This drawing is oriented for us to have fun. So if you gave me the wrong answer, I probably responded back to you and said, hey, listen, it is supposed to be tarantula, but I'm still going to enter you in the drawing because it's not about who can Google this, but it's about having a little bit of fun and having a little bit of connection with each other. Because really, that's what I enjoy most. If you want someone who's going to be able to listen to you, connect with you, care about you, someone that you can trust with your real estate needs, whether it's an investment property that you've been trying to sell for your parents or for yourself forever, or it's even your own home and you're looking to move up or move down, you know that you have me who's available to you that you can trust and that I will help you out every step of the way. And guess what? Whether it's, some huge property that's worth a lot of money, we're still going to have a little bit of fun. We're going to take our business seriously, and I'm going to negotiate strong for you, and I'm going to look out for your fiduciary obligations every step of the way and make sure that you're well taken care of. But we got to have a little bit of fun too. So that, my friends, was October's winner. It was Amanda, right? For October's 2020 Fun Day Monday contest. She will get the $25 Amazon gift card that will be heading over to her. And please reach out enter for the drawing for the Fun Day Monday with Rob.com for November. I'd love to see you play a part in it and we can all have fun together. So this is Rob Rosa. Hopefully your favorite real estate broker, signing out, and I hope you have an amazing day.